Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're conquering one of the classics, the pull-up. Whether you're a beginner or looking to perfect your form, stick around for our step-by-step guide. Find a sturdy overhead bar, jump up to grip the bar with your palms facing away from you, slightly wider than shoulder width. Hang with your arms fully extended, engaging your core. Take a deep breath, squeeze your shoulder blades together and pull your chest towards the bar. Focus on using your back muscles and arms rather than relying solely on your biceps. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Keep your body straight, no swinging or kicking. This ensures you're getting the full range of motion and engaging the right muscles. Control the descent by straightening your arms. Avoid simply dropping down. This eccentric phase of the exercise is crucial for building strength and muscle. Repeat for your desired number of reps. If you're a beginner, start with assisted pull-ups or negatives. As you get stronger, aim for unassisted pull-ups. Consistency is key. There you have it, the pull-up, a fantastic upper body workout. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep pulling up and stay strong.